I'm Jon McCartney, Head of Packaging Transformation at X-Rite Pantone. I'd like to introduce you today to the eXact 2. Here we have it in the case. You'll notice a black carrying case looks similar to the eXact 1 or the CI64 if you purchase that. Let's see what's inside. Inside the case, you'll find the handheld, the docking station, cables. For our Plus users, an extra polarization filter, and our quick start guide. So let's pull them out. Here we have the handheld itself, the new docking station. With the eXact 2, you have a USB-C cable, along with an adapter to traditional USB. Of course, you'll have your power cables and line cord. For the eXact 2 Plus users, they'll have an additional polarization filter. And then we have our quick start guide. It has a QR code that will take you to the website. You can download the eXact 2 suite software, plug your device into our Internet of Things X-Rite Link dashboard, as well as find firmware updates, user guides, and training videos. Well, folks, that's what's inside the box.